Welcome everybody to a session of cycle modeling for beginners. So in this session we were assembling the parts. We have assembled this structure and the seat, as you can see here. Yes, you can see this structure and seat has been assembled. Now it's time for assembling the handle. Okay, first install handle. This is handle. Now before assembling we have to make one mounting here. Okay, now we could assemble it. As you can see, handle is also assembled. So seat is assembled, handle is assembled. Yes, we could modify the handle. This is just a ordinary block. We could modify it more so that it could look more like a normal handle. Okay. All right. Let's make some cylinder on both the sides. Okay, similarly we have to make here also. Yes, we could mirror it, but since we don't have a plane, we could create here also. Center of this, center of this. Okay, all right. Done. Now this appears like a normal handle. Okay. That's it for today. Today we learned how to assemble the handle to our structure. Tomorrow we are gonna assemble the caster to the structure. So any suggestion, any comments, please mention it below. That's it for today. Thank you.